important subject of computer science, that is data structures. Data structures is nothing but a specific way to store and organize the data in a computer memory. So, computer programming, we need different languages, C, Java, Python, but this is not a computer program. This is a set of algorithms. This requires a set of algorithms that can set different rules to store the data in a memory. So that set of rules is nothing but an abstract data type. Abstract data type is nothing but set of rules given as an algorithm to store the data in a memory. So that data is nothing but a data structure. So data can be organized in logical as well as mathematical model. That model depends on specific factors, that is first loaded enough in structure to reflect the actual relationship of the data. It means कि it should reflect the actual real world data. So we have to store that much information that will reflect the relationship of number of data. Then formation should be simple enough so that anyone can efficiently process the data. Now the data should be stored so simply so that we can easily access that data whenever we need it. Then next, types of data structure. Now the data structures are of two types, primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data structures are nothing but int, float, char, pointers. These are the primitive data structures which can store a single value. It can store a single value. So these are the primitive data structures. So now we have to look on to the non-primitive data structures. So these are the non-primitive data structures. Linear and non-linear. So in linear, the data structure is stored in a sequential manner. The data is stored in a memory in a sequential manner. So the first way to represent that data in a memory is linear memory location. The data is stored in a linear memory location, that is a sequential manner, though that data structure is nothing but arrays. Next, the data is represented with the help of pointers or link from one data to another and one data to its previous data and the data to its next data. So that link that should be represented by pointers or links. That data structure is nothing but linked list. So till now what we have seen the definition of data structure, that is to store the data in an organized form in computer memory, that is nothing but a data structure. So the set of algorithms we use to store that data, that set of algorithms is nothing but an abstract data type that sets different rules to store the data in a computer memory. So that data is arranged in basically two models, logical or mathematical models, and that depends on specific factors, that is it should represent the real world data properly. Then next one is it should be simple enough so that we can easily access it. So types of data structures. In types of data structures we have seen that these are the primitive data structures. These are the primitive data structures, int, float, char, pointers that stored a single value. And the non-primitive data structures are linear and non-linear. So in linear, the data is represented in a sequential manner. So that manner is represented when it is represented in a linear memory location, so that is nothing but arrays. And when the data is stored with the help of pointers or link, that will point to another element, so in a list, so that is nothing but a linked list, which we will see in detail.